All right. Ooh, that's no good. Hold on. I'm a little out of sync. That should be a little bit better. Hey, how's everybody doing? All right. Let me know how my volume is. Let me know, how everything is. So today we're taking a look at GreenBAng. GreenBAng was previously known as ArchBang. I, in fact, have a video of ArchBang on this channel. You can check it out. Really great video. Totally worth checking out. So, anyway, and I originally wasn't going to stream today. I kind of changed my mind. And the reason why is I had something to do today, but it got postponed till tomorrow. So, um, here I am. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of people are like, but you said. So, anyway, let's see how many people are streaming. I mean, how many people are watching? I got one viewer here. Okay. Hey, Isaac. ¿Cómo se encuentra? All right. Very good. Let's see about Twitch. Do I have at least one person? No. No problem. All right. So I am on Twitch and YouTube. I might add a different platform, but I don't know which one I should choose. Anyway, it's neither here nor there. All right. So, how is everybody doing? I think we only have like one viewer, so that's interesting. Usually I have a couple more, but no problem. Muy bien, muy bien. So, Green Bang it is. What a stupid name, but you know what? It might be a totally awesome distro. Did I already download this? No, I didn't. Ooh, I'm glad I. Hmm. I tried to like. There's 3 or 4 distros I wanted to look at today. Um. Oh, we got Sway Bang too. Look at Green Bang, the latest version of Green Bang right here. Yeah. All right, this won't take more than a couple of seconds to download. Yeah. Anyway. Oh, all right. Yeah, I didn't see you yesterday, Isak. Yeah. Anyway, I had a an awesome stream checking out Mocaccino. That was such an awesome distro. Ben hated it, but I actually kind of liked it. I would use that. It has a little bit of a learning curve though. Wait a minute. Are you checking this out? Oh, hold on. So I'm looking at some of the reactions. Now, most of them are very positive, but there's this one. It says, okay, it is nice as live CD, nothing else, as the Pacman databases are broken and cannot be updated. How is that possible? Yeah, that doesn't make any sense to me. And I've already downloaded it, I guess. All right. sure I got in the right place. No. All right. Let's go ahead and cut that. Oh, okay. No problem. Yeah. Anyway, so now we got GreenBAng, folks. If I can talk. All right. I am so looking forward to checking this out. All right. Praise the Lord. I wanted to check out the new KDE um, distro, KDE Linux or whatever it's called, but they don't have an ISO file, and I didn't feel like messing around too much. Wait, green, oh, that might help. This should be Arch. We're going to find out what this person was talking about. That doesn't even make sense what he said. And yeah. I see Jesus Christ with a computer in the folder. Oh, do you? All right. Ooh, this looks really eerily familiar. Open box. Oh, I probably should make sure Twitch is on. They didn't miss anything. All right. Oh, right. Is it? Let me see. Like probably. Oh yeah, that was a video I made. I wrote. I forgot. I should probably record that video. Oh no, no. It was a an extra. It was an extra in a yeah, it was a B-roll. All right. I think it was a knock on Ubuntu or GNOME or something. Okay, I should be back. All right, here we are. We got alacrity. Did I close both of those? Or no, I didn't. All right, so how do I start this? Um, okay, so we'll go super G. All right, somebody's hitting me up in the chat. I'll be right here for right now. Hmm. All right. Okay, I don't run. Okay, so just right click. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, right. All right. So just the same partition scheme. Let's go default. Let's do CF disk. Enter. You're gonna make me enter it. All right. This looks good. Praise the Lord. I'm really excited about this. He gets bias boot, right? And then, oh, all right, all right. I messed that up. All right, my bad. He gets bias boot, and then the next one, and then should it's right. Quit. Group partition should be 2. Yes. 1. Okay. Sure. All right. I remember this now. This was a pain in the ass the last time. I know. And somebody's blowing me up on Discord. I should just get off. Because I just got off like, I don't know, about 8 o'clock this morning. Just saying. It's what happens when you have a good wife. Mm-hmm. Oof. Isak, are you ready for the fight on Saturday night? This one right here. Canelo versus Crawford. I honestly hope that Crawford beats the shit out of Canelo. I like Canelo, but yeah. Yeah, they can. I hope that Canelo beats that Crawford beats the shit out of Canelo. I do, but I don't see it happening. Canelo's a beast. Like, he's not gonna come in ill prepared for that fight. Like, there's fights he probably doesn't like worry about too much. Like, he probably hasn't had to worry about a fight in a long time, but
Look, this kid never liked going to school. Instead, he was always more interested in his dad's work. So when his dad found out, he decided to teach his son the basics of concrete work. Within just a few days, the boy got so good that he built a concrete walkway behind their house all by himself. But unexpectedly, his mom said she'll hire a real professional to redo it if he doesn't get at least 2 likes. Look, this kid never liked going to school. Instead, he was always more interested in his dad's work. So when his dad found out, he decided to teach his son the basics of concrete work. Within just a few days, the boy got so good that he built a
wow, did you hear that? Oh. Oh. All right. Look at him. I think he's kind of cute. I should probably take him home, huh? Or her. I don't know. Hey, you. You'd be perfect for me in Mexico. Anyway, let's see if anybody else is joining me. Oh, we got some viewers. Praise the Lord. We had 7 concurrent viewers, folks. That's pretty cool. People are starting to like my videos. That's cool. Yeah. And too bad they don't like talk that much. I like to talk on my streams, and it's like if somebody, I don't know. I don't know if I'll successfully get this the first time, but I think this is how it's done. So anyway, nice. Hey, somebody hit that tip jar. Don't be cruel, man. I'm a poor Mexican who earns pesos, like quite literally. Any, the tip jar really does help. And is is Ben in here? Is he in the chat? Let's see here. Let's take a look at a few other things. Pretty cool stuff, though. All right. I'm really happy with this. Host name. Let's do it. Free. My host name. Yeah, let's do GreenBAng. Sounds good. For location. 2. And Mexico City will be what? 109. Right? Wait, where's my old man glasses? Like for real. I'm too old. All right. Didn't I say Mexico? 39? Yes. If you were wondering, Mexico's the best country in the world to live in. It just is. You can catch feelings, but Mexico's great. All right. So anyway, let's see. Let's see here. I I left a message a few minutes ago. No. Let's see here. Oh, somebody already responded. Oh, okay, good. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, it doesn't work that well on Brave browser either. To be honest. Where's English 94? Stop 94. Yes. I mean, I could set it to Espanol, right? I do speak Spanish after all. Yeah, I check my Facebook like once a day, I think. So, yeah. Anyway. Alrighty, we're getting somewhere here. GZip and all that good stuff. Well, I wonder why they changed their name. Like ArchBang has been around for like forever. Yeah. So anyway, there's a lot of people watching, but I guess they're a little shy. Thanks for being here, just the same. I mean, you could be somewhere else, I suppose. Ah, yeah. You know you're doing good in life though when you have a good kid who's just graduated college. Uh, you've been married for over half your life and still are romantic. And you eat chilaquiles for breakfast. Key map. I've already said what I want. Wait, what? Okay. Yes. Well, if you're going to confirm it, why don't you list it? That's fine. Oh, desktop keyboard. Okay, I got you. 8. Let's do grub 2. 1 automatic. Let's see if it works. Ooh, doing good. 9. Let's see my super uncomplicated password. And of course, 10. We should be able to be done and reboot this sucker. All right. That's pretty cool, man. So, Isak, did you see my video on Mocaccino yesterday? That was such a cool distro. I think we're gonna load. Hopefully. That's a little slow though. Too slow for my liking. I'm gonna wait a sec. Yeah, I'll wait a second. Oh, oh, you missed? Yeah, it was pretty cool. That was a really cool distro. It kind of caught me by surprise. Some of the just getting up and running took me a little by surprise, but um, it was really educational. Why is this not loading? Uh-huh. Did this just... Oh, there we go. Good deal. We got it. Can I just say... Oh, it starts X automatically. That's awesome. So now I'll just do like xrender output virtual one set 1920 by 1080. Oh, all right, mode. I always forget. I can set it too, but uh-huh. And what is this? Is this all right. All right. Terminal web browser. Super R? Man, are these people like that demented? Super R is... Oh, wow. Well, it's nice, though. Um... Hmm. Yeah. All right. So now I think if I just reboot it, it will have everything right. Right? Oh, I forgot the part. Da-da-da-da-da. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, here we are. Good deal. Here we are, and that should not. Oh, all right. Okay. So said Super R. So if I go back to monitor settings, I saved that though. Okay. Now it says it was saved, but I don't know. Is there appearance? Interesting. This is a nice looking distro, but I'm trying to get to where I can. Well, what happens if I just do do some oh, okay. Yeah. What if I go right here to Alacrity and I hit exit? Exit. I wonder, okay. Maybe like that. No. And there's no. God, these. Oh my God. All right, I got a better idea. See here. Let's do. Let's make that a little bit bigger. No. So sudo Pacman SYU. All right. Sudo Pacman key in it. I didn't realize you. Okay. Now we can do that. Yes, we're going to import everything. Yes. Another key. This is the problem with Arch Linux. See, now it says it was invalid. No. Yes. There's a way to do that. I don't remember. It's refresh keys, right? So, all right. We gotta get to work a little bit. So now we gotta. There's a few things. Do I have NeoVim? No. I have VI. Okay. All right. So now this is. I think open box is right here. So let's do that. Box, and that should have a V auto. VI auto starts. There we go. And that's what I was thinking. It was set with Faye. That's why, like, you could have this with nitrogen. You wouldn't have that problem. So now we're good. Now we can, we'll exit and reboot. All right. Oh. So now I got to refresh the keys, I guess. Is that the deal? So let's see here. So I'm taking a look at this right here. Oh, I can't show it to you, I guess. All right. Wow, I got like 8 viewers and nobody's on the stream. This is funny. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, here we are. All right, there I am, and 1 viewer. Okay, so somebody really likes me on Twitch, but can't figure out who it is. All right, nobody ever leaves me a message. All right. All righty. Well, we're going to do a few things. We're going to bring that up top in a minute, but I do want to let's see if is it like just the Arch Linux. Okay. Pacman SY Arch Linux keyring. Wow. Okay. Alright. Alright. So sudo Pacman key fresh. I always forget how to do this. Jesus, this is so terrible. What is up with this? Let's take a look at the page because I don't remember. All right. I remember when I used Arch Linux that there was a command to restore all of the keyrings, but I don't remember. Ah, bless. Wow. Yeah. All right. Try that. Key. Let's try that. Or if I could spell. This looks promising. All right, now I can do this. So Pacman SYU. We're going to get a full system upgrade. This looks good. Alrighty. It's been a while since I've done that. Alright. Alright, so now that's good. So now we can do like sudo pacman s neovim. Alright, yeah. Yeah, we probably should do xclip, excel, python, pine, vim. All right. Think we're doing good now. What does everybody think? I think this is good. Oh, we gotta install Kitty, which is the only, like, who uses Alacrity anymore? I don't know about that. Pacman. I know I'm a little bit of an asshole sometimes. All right. All right. So I probably should. I'm going to make this. This is pretty cool, man. All right. Yeah. All right. All right. So there's no super shift arrow, so the window snapping is like that. Oh, okay. It's not too bad. And then what? Like, okay. All right. We got that. All right. Like you could do. Oh, that's. Ooh, this is nice. This is to get. So now. So, like, if I had. Actually, this is probably the. What the hell? Like, there's no conventional. We're gonna have to change these. Super T? Are you fucking for real? Ugh. The, these. I don't know, man. Alright, alright. I'll try to get used to it. I don't like it, but whatever. So now, if I did that, I can change. And this. That's easy. I like that. That I mean, honestly, that couldn't be any easier. Like I don't like I need that a lot. All right, let's see what else we got. That makes a lot of sense though. Super plus space main menu. Says super plus C to reconfigure. But I don't see it. Oh, I see. Toggle window decorations. Okay, so you could do like, if you're like this, you can do. Ooh. But I don't like how that moves up. It shouldn't move up like that. Because that doesn't look very good. But okay, so super M. Okay. Super A. Wow, okay. It's not bad. That actually just super A, that reminds me of Tmux, which should also be installed by the way. Tmux, JQ, what else? Rip grab. I think that's good for right now. We're gonna get something working. So now if I said T here, right, or, and then say super F. I would probably want like, okay, so now if I do shift tab, I can just go, okay. That's actually probably the easiest, like That's probably what I would want. Like just something like this, like something that's simple. I don't need it really anything else. I would like to like reduce the like have like different a couple different layouts, but actually I don't know that it's really that necessary since I mean especially since I use Tmux. All right. So now that we're here, we are going to go sudo pacman. No. Oh yeah. Pacman s get wget curl. I don't know which ones are installed. All right. Oh. So anyway, this is a pretty cool distro. I mean, already, like, yeah, it's not like nothing that I couldn't put together, right? Like, let's just be real. Like, but there's some, there's a little bit of logic to this, but we're gonna make some edits here and see here. So we're gonna go get clone TTPS www.gitlab.com and dot files. Oh, I forgot I got stow. So we're going to go sudo pacman s stow. And I guess maybe what I can do is so let's just go over here to config. Just so that I don't um Activity, auto start, conky, bottom, dunst, gtk for right now. All right, open box, polybar. I don't know what it pulse is, but all right. Oh, pulse audio. I don't even need that right now. Lofi. And I think that's about it. And we're going to go dot files dot config. Sure. All right. Let's go to wait a minute here. Let me just make sure that Rofi did stay there. Okay. I'll just remove that. Oh. Yeah, all right. Gotta make it whatever. All right. So now All right, now we got it. Now we're gonna come back here. And we're gonna go stow dot. All right. Now we need to do Starship as well. Starship. Oh, well, let me just do it this way. Curl S. So it did this. All right. So now we're going to go to dot files from box. Then oh, all right. I'm trying to see. Oh, it's RC. Vim RC. You know what? I'm getting done with this. The only reason why this isn't doing this is because I haven't. Wow. All right. No. So hold on. So that's what I was afraid of. So let's go here. So let's move bash RC to bash RC back. Top files. Stow. There we go. Looks like a plan to me. Now let's go ahead and refresh that. We should be good to go. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and make directory cargo touch cargo imp. No, we should be good to go here. Yep. All right. So now I just need some fonts. No problem. All right. Wow. This is starting to look like a distro. All right. So now we're going to dot files config. And actually sudo Pacman SEZA. I probably shouldn't have like this Rust shit fuckery installed on my computer just because I hate it. Sorry. You know what? I don't need to be cursing like that. You know? but I don't need it. All right, now I'm find where it says alacrity. Perfect. All right, we're gonna do a couple of different things. I'm gonna say kitty. We're gonna say Windows plus return. That makes a lot of sense. All right. I don't know if I have to restart that, but okay. All right. And there we go. Oh, right. What was it? You gotta redo it, right? All right. So you would do Super C, right? Super C. Then I should be able to do that. No, oh, yes. Yes, sir. And I forget how to make that. Okay. All right, that worked. Now let's do that. And then, all right. And we'll get some fonts. And that looks beautiful. I don't know, man. I'm really getting attached to this. Like, I always like something like hyper minimalist, but I'm really getting attached to this, I have to say. So let's see here. Let's go back to dot files. Dot files. Now, config polybar. Usually, config ini. This is a nice. So if I said background, I'm going to say false. And then if I did that, exit. Alright, hold on. Let me just reboot this fucker. Alright, we're doing really good here. Oh, one day I'm doing good on my stream and everybody's asleep. Yeah, it's a nice name, I suppose. I think I prefer ArchBang, but yeah. Mach 7, you've been on my channel, but like I've seen you leave comments before, like on some of my live streams. How have you been? This takes forever. I don't know. This, oh my God. I think I should make like one of these versions like this, a minimalist version of Arch Linux, um, that comes with something like this. Yeah. And I probably would do like probably better yet. It'd probably be like Fedora or something. This just takes a minute. Yeah. Anyway. Uh, well, the first person put some money in my tip jar, I'll drink a beer with. So. I like this everything about this I like so far. Oh, so that wasn't it. Okay. So I bet you what I have to do is, uh-huh. So let's see here. Watch. If you're going to do that, you should do top equals true. And actually, I don't even need that then. I'll bet you that does what it's supposed to do. I always like to have my. Yes, I'm having a great day. You know, I woke up and I was breathing, have a good family. Yeah. I mean, ate chilaquiles this morning. Like, I mean, seriously, like just eating chilaquiles, you just can't beat that, right? All right, so now, so let's do this. Instead of starting all over from scratch. Hmm, that's interesting. Uh, let's see here. Yeah, you can't ask for more than that, though. Have a good family, you know. Usually it has a position. So bottom. Hmm. Oh, I remember this whole IPC thing, right? Uh, gag me. I don't really care right now because I mean I'm just playing around with it. So okay, so all right, I figured something else out. Okay, all right, so dot files big. So I'm gonna have to restart this again. All right, I figured this out. So now I just have to reboot. So it's not gonna recharge or whatever unless I actually reboot. Sucks. At least I think that's what it was because it didn't revert back to the previous config when I reverted back. So that's my logic. I'm sticking with it. All right. Oh, this takes forever. And I am not one to be quiet. That was good. Yeah, all right. There we go. About time. Watch. Does this work? I don't know. Did it? That is so weird. I don't know what's missing. That is so funny. Yes, Polybar is definitely acting up. So here's what I did. Let's try this again. The only thing that I'm not sure about, let's see if I come in here like this. Polybar. So if I said it was bottom, so then I said kill all open box. Now, according to me, that should be at the bottom because that was what was there before. Watch, because if I do this, polybar, there we go. Oh, I see. All right, I got it back. So if that's the case, then maybe I can do this again. All right. Let's try this again. Yeah, I guess polybar is definitely acting up. So let's kill all open box. Let's see here. Polybar. There we are. Good deal. Now I'll just have to, yeah, I think that'll work actually. This is actually a pretty nice little config. I mean, it reminds me a lot. What the hell is this? There's something going on. There we are. Close. Oh, what the hell? Ooh. All right, let me see here. There's probably like CF, CD, open box. V auto start. We got Faye. Well, where is polybar in all of this? Oh, it's sleep 2 and start panel. And yeah, I got a better idea. Let's just do this. Polybar. And let's see if this kill all open box. There's some sort of bug going on, so I don't know what that was about, but here we go. Yeah, well, it had a script. It had a script, and so yeah, it had like a start panel script that it was running, but I've never messed with that script, so it should have worked just like it was working when it started. The only thing I changed one parameter to put it up at the top. Ooh, that's not bad. All right, it looks like it's working though. All right. All right, time to get to work a little bit. All right, we need Source Code Pro, which I think is in the Pacman repository, or if it's in Yay, I don't remember. Yeah, it's probably in Yay. But actually, you know what? Screw that. I'm just going to... Oh, actually, why don't I use my browser here? Uh-huh. Mm. Is it this one? I can't remember. Yes. Alright, so... I like hack, but it's not the one I'm... Oh. Oh yeah, let's do hack. There we go. That's what I was looking for. It's funny, like I hate Microsoft, but like I use their fonts, I use their LSP servers. Although we shouldn't use like all right. Let's go hack nerd. JetBrains is good too. Why? Why do I use? I don't know. I just um my source code pro was the font that that I liked the most when I set up my config, and I've just been with it ever since. All right. Sudo pacman s unzip. All right, dn. All right. Actually, I can probably just do that, right? And then I could do. I have a I have a configuration for EX. It's just basically just says, you know, hey, just uncompile all this or whatever. Uh-huh. Sure, I don't really care about the README, to be honest. And sure. So now we are going to let's see. We are going to move TTF user share fonts F and we're good. Move everything and we can exit. That's painless. Now you can see it. It's already. So let's see here. I should have everything now. Yes, you can see like now it's got everything that I need. All right, and we need to switch Xeno and Oh, you fat fingered that one. Okay. I do that sometimes, like when you're 50, like your fingers aren't as nimble as they used to be. Okay, I said all this stuff failed, but I know it didn't. Oh, okay. Why? Oh, I bet you I know why. Oh. All right. All right. So we need sudo Pacman s. Yep. Let's see if go please starts now. Okay, I got that part. All in. Oh, right. Hold on. There's another thing I need to install. We need to install Node.js. Most distributions. Wow, that's interesting. Base develop. Do I have that? Okay. Don't. Wow. I didn't realize I didn't have base devel installed. That's a new one. Now that should give me. So this one's gonna. There'll be a few that I can't do quite yet, but most of these will install. Good deal. All right. All righty. All right. Good deal. Why was that? Oh, right. Hold on. Sudo pacman hip. Oh, I thought it was. Yeah, you gotta install pip on for Pacman. That's right. Sudo pacman or I thought it was just pip. Oh, it's pip 3. I bet you anything. No. No, shoot. Python. Oh, it wasn't off. There we go. See what happens when you don't use Arch Linux for a couple of years? So now, I don't think so. More. I guarantee you that I gotta see why that's. Man, this used to like automatically load. Yes, it's Python pip. Yeah. I just forget, like, when you don't install Arch Linux for a couple of years, like, you remember, but it just takes a second. Hi, right. Why did it fail to install? Let's go back. Is there, did it fail to create a virtual environment? Is that the deal? Yeah, with an exit code, right? Why? Come on, man. This used to like give me my message. That's why I did this. Come on. Oh, you pissed me off. It usually has some text down below, but maybe not. Okay, no problem. I'll just do Mason log. And why do I have black and rough? That's like counterintuitive, right? Yeah. Oh, okay. No problem. You know what? I don't even need that anyway. Now that I think about it, I would never need that anyway. Watch. Let's, I'll change my config right now. Hi, Lisp. Install that. That seemed to install. For whatever reason, that other one didn't work. And I think it would just didn't, if I remember right, just didn't create a virtual machine, like a virtual environment, sorry. Yeah, that installed. So this one, all right. All right. So this. All right. Very good. So now let's see if I got some. Um, why is Basilisk not installing? I don't get it. Okay, we got some snippets. All right, so that's working. All right, maybe I should do some coding today. Maybe I will here in a minute. Oh, very good. So we got some, not everything's working perfectly, but I mean, hey, it's pretty freaking close, I must say. And so this gives me some ideas. I really like this distro though, so far. Yeah, rough definitely ought to be enough. I use the PyLSP servers for, like um for just a couple of things, but yeah, I agree. And so now that I'm in my um well, I'll do that later. So anyway, yeah, I've been all right. Very good. So we have ourselves a really good distro here. I really enjoyed this actually. Uh-huh. Oh, and it doesn't reposition because the bar's not down below. Like, oh wow. That's so funny. Uh I don't know. Anyway, I thought this was like a really cool a really really cool, you know, project to look at. I think Ben is busy today. I haven't seen him today, so he didn't like my distro yesterday. That Mocaccino, he really didn't take a liking to that. Mocaccino is really a interesting distro, though. I mean, if I do say so myself, I thoroughly enjoyed looking at that. And so, yeah. Anyway, um, yeah. So anyway, like, yeah, he didn't like my distro yesterday. uh, oh, there it is. Taking a look. And if you haven't, oh, I can't put that up top, can I? All right, yeah. So if you haven't got me on Discord or joined my Discord server, yeah, come on over. We don't bite over here. And I thought somebody posted something, but we don't bite. I sometimes put up polls, share podcasts, notices, NeoVim hacks. Frameworks. I'll definitely be getting some frameworks here very soon. Distro hopping. Yeah. There's some people. Oh my word. Cool live. Oh yeah. There's this chick that does that does keyboards. I kind of like have her live streams like on, but I don't know if you'll be into that. Like she's not into Linux, but she's really good at putting together keyboards. All right. And there's Linux Grandpa. We got some programming here, questions. So yeah. Yeah, it is slick. I'll tell you this. I could definitely I could set something up very similar to this and I could live in it. Yeah. In fact, so anyway, yeah. So yeah, I think this is really slick. I could definitely live here. Yes. Please do. Yeah. I yeah, I'm a lot of people have joined over, the last year or so, and so um, yeah, it's a nice little community. Like there's a couple of like there's Ben with Storm OS. There's Darren is in there with Accretion OS, which I'll be taking a look at later as well. Um, but yeah, I could definitely live in this. Like everything about this. The only thing I would do differently is I wouldn't have polybar. I would have something like something else. I don't even know what I would have. I mean, I could do like Xmobar. I could do the one that I like is the dozen status bar. I've done a few videos on that. It's a really nice status bar, but it doesn't get the love it deserves, I don't think. And yes, thank you so much, Mach 7. And anyway, we got 3 minutes, so 3 minutes before my campaign ends. So the first person to buy me a cup of coffee or give me a super chat, I'll drink a beer with you. I know I said I'd streak the neighborhood. I wouldn't want to go to a Mexican prison, I'm sorry, or Mexican jail. Well, I guess a Mexican jail wouldn't be that bad. Yeah. But prison, no. But anyway, Mach 7, thank you for tuning in today. It's always nice to talk to people. Nice to see Isak, and yeah, it's a little lonely today, but I guess that comes with the territory. I did have a lot of people watching, so like if you take a look here, I think I had like right now I only have 3, but let's see how many people did I have. I had some people. Oof. Yeah, I had like 10 people, so I have a few here still. Maybe 2 or 3. All right. 10 is, I mean, with 10 I can work, right? Like it's all right. I guess hmm, some people don't stick around, I guess, for whatever reason. But anyway, yeah. Anyway, I thoroughly enjoyed talking to everyone today and just, showing off this really cool distro that I could absolutely live in. So there's a reason why I'm taking a look at all of these minimalist distros. The main reason is that I'm planning on. There's a major reason why I am looking at these minimalist distros. I'm looking at possibly making my own distro just for me. If other people can understand it or whatever, relate to it, maybe they'll want to like check it out. But I'm mainly making it for me. I don't really care about anyone or anything else. But yeah. But my idea is something minimalist, just like this. If you've seen my videos, you've seen I've done open box rices, PK or PEC WM rices, BSP, Spectre, you know, DWM, a few others here on this channel. And I just have to say that it's, you know, I want to do a little more of that. And also I want to experiment with things like X Libre because I don't think that X is as bad as all these Wayland pud whackers are saying. Like it isn't that much superior. I mean, they do have benefits, but they also have issues. So just saying. So anyway, but I want to, do a couple of things. I want to mess around with the idea of having a different init system other than System D. And so I'm looking at Nitro, for example. That's one that I'm looking at, S6. So that's why I'm looking at these distros right now. So anyway, Mach 7, thank you so much. And thanks for everybody for just tuning in. This is pretty much where I'm at right now. Just, yeah. Yeah, I think that's pretty much sums everything up. So, anyway, I hope, I hope everybody has a great day. Mach 7, you included. So, anyway, um, before I leave this, I want to thank a couple of sponsors. I want to thank Isak, Scrub, Ghost, and Russell for their generosity. They make this show possible, and hopefully, Um, hopefully you want to contribute. Okay. Hopefully you'll want to contribute. And if you'd like to contribute, you can buy me a cup of coffee, give me a super chat when I'm here live. You can become a member. Some of these live videos are only available to members, by the way, after it's been streamed. So there's that. And I'll see you very soon. Later.